Hello and welcome to the Simply Blockchain channel. I am Ali. I'm also known as Nexus to some of my friends on Twitter and in Telegram, and I've created this channel as a bit of a how-to guide. I'm going to release a load of videos on how-tos on everything from simple subjects all the way up to quite complex cryptocurrency topics. So you're probably thinking, well, what the hell do you know about crypto? So I've been in crypto since 2018. I went through a whole bear market, a bull market, another bear market, and now as we're heading into a new bull run, I really wanted to share some of my experiences with you guys that I have had through the last 6 or 7 years. I've learned an awful lot in my time, and I wanted to just document some of the key things that I have learned, that I have found to be quite successful. So I started with investing in high cap stuff like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then I also delved quite deep into the trenches in Telegram groups, and I use an awful lot of Telegram bots to help me trade and to keep me successful. So I wanted to document and I wanted to show you guys how I do my trading, how I find tokens, and I'm hoping that it would mean that you guys become successful as well. So if it sounds like something you'd be interested in, then I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.